165, which will be maximum working pressure. So we'll open the water up. She goes. And then we'll turn the steam on. Back the steam. See, it's coming through. There she goes. Away. Yep, you know that. 165. Here I haven't put taken a slight vacuum at the diffuser, which is really good. So I'll put a non-return valve in here. That's it working. The boiler level is coming up. See boiler pressure is coming down because there's cold water going in. I can touch the inlet because that's nice and cold, or at least like 65 degrees. We are away, finally. Thank God for that.